HP LiveVault streamlines and reduces the complexity of data protection across both virtual and physical environments, providing off-site mirrored backups, flexible long-term retention, legal hold support, and disaster recovery in the cloud, with rapid recovery and unparalleled security, all within one solution. Let's take a look at LiveVault's ability to protect virtual machine images locally and off-site to the HP Autonomy Cloud. We'll begin this demonstration by creating a backup policy for several virtual machines. I've already logged into the LiveVault web UI and I'm looking at the home page. I'll select the virtual machine collector that has been installed. Then I'll select the Backup tab. You can see that several virtual machines are already backing up. I'll select the Create Virtual Machine Backup Policy button to add several more. First, I'll enter a name for the backup policy and then select the virtual machines I want to protect by expanding the vCenter tree. Here are two additional servers for which I want image-level backups. I'll check them off now. Next, I'll visit the Schedule tab. I can choose a predefined backup schedule or create a custom schedule. You can see that by default, each backup will be stored on the Turbo Restore appliance and will be replicated to the offsite vaults. Finally, I will open the Options tab. This allows me to choose a retention option. I can retain backups for 30 days, 90 days, 1 year, or 7 years. The Use Snapshot Quiescence and the Use Changed Block Tracking are selected by default. These are best practices, so I'll take the defaults. Changed block tracking dramatically reduces the amount of data that LiveVault needs to transmit and reduces backup times. When I click the Next button, I get a confirmation screen to review my choices, and now I can select Done. Let's now restore a virtual machine. On the Virtual Machine Collector page, I select the Restore tab and click on the New Restore option. First, I get to specify how I would like the data delivered. The default is to get the data off of the local TRA, if it is available there, or from offsite over the internet if it's not. My other choice is to have a media restore device shipped to a physical address. I'll take the default by clicking the Next button. I'll give the restore job a name, such as Demo Restore, and then I can choose to restore from one of the available backup versions. By default, LiveVault shows me the most recent time for which backups are available. I'll use that in this demonstration. Now I can choose which virtual machines I want to recover by browsing the tree. I'll just restore the file server. A variety of restore options are available to me by clicking the Options tab. The default is to restore to the original location. I can elect to overwrite an existing virtual machine of the same name, as I might do in this case, where I'm restoring a corrupted virtual machine from a prior version. But if the host is no longer available, I might want to restore to a different host. Finally, I can just restore the virtual machine files. I might do this if I wanted to bring the virtual machine up in a different vCenter environment. When I click Next, in this case where I'm overwriting a protected virtual machine, I need to allow the virtual machine backup policy to be disabled while the restore is in progress. LiveVault runs automatically and will generate emailed alerts and warnings as necessary. Users are not required to log in every day to check logs or status. However, by selecting the Reports tab, I can see the backup logs, restore logs, network usage charts, and server status. LiveVault also tracks resource utilization. Here you see the 10 largest backup jobs. As I move my mouse over the pieces of the pie, I can see at a glance the size of my largest backups. Thanks for watching this demo of HP LiveVault, providing turnkey server data protection in the cloud.